Happy Republic Day. All of you, my name is Kinjal and today I am presenting speech Republic Day. Please listen carefully. Today is the 77th Republic Day. Republic are celebrating because our country, India, become republic on this day in 1915. अस्तु जय हिंद।